Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're here at Camp Nou to check out the latest progress across the stadium. Right away, we're starting in the stand area because there was a big update yesterday. A new escalator has been installed, reaching up to the first level. This makes 3 escalators in total, 2 existing ones, and this new addition on the right. The work is ongoing, with plenty more escalators still to be placed. Moving around the stand zone, we can see elevated platforms inside, with cranes lifting new pieces for the escalator structure. It's tricky to see all the activity from here, but there are workers busy on multiple tasks. Zooming in, we notice them treating bolts with an anti-rust coating, a critical step before painting them black. Many of the brackets still need this coating, so this work is essential. Next, we head toward the Café Diamond area. 4 new supports for the glass panels have been installed along this side wall. Yesterday, only 1 support was in place. The front section has paused for now, leaving room for 2 or 3 more pieces. Behind, a large amount of new material has been delivered, stacked boxes and equipment ready for upcoming work. While no new rock wool or additional supports were added today, these materials signal important updates coming soon. Heading to the Goal Sewer corner, we notice elevated platforms and plenty of ongoing work. The last set of formwork panels at the front has been removed, revealing the fully concreted cantilever. The pillars here are constructed in 3 sections: bottom, middle, and top, with the upper sections often left for later. Workers are also handling safety nets attached to the beams, and several elevated platforms are active throughout this corner, which has traditionally lagged behind other areas in construction. On the Goal Sewer side, workers are installing vertical supports for the new Louvres, progressing steadily across the area. While anchors for the Louvres haven't been fully installed yet, the work is almost ready to begin. The interior structures for the escalators involve countless components, and coordinating cranes and platforms in these tight spaces is a challenge, almost like a Tetris of steel and equipment. Moving along the lateral area, this is the busiest part of the stadium right now. New anchors and louvres are being positioned carefully. Panels that were previously concreted have had their formwork removed, though a few remain. Black paint has been applied to some of the back block walls, but not everywhere. In some areas, supports for the Louvres have been installed, even though the walls and brackets underneath haven't been painted yet. It's unusual, but construction experts have their reasons. As with any large project, some Louvres will inevitably get minor damage during installation and will be replaced later. Now we approach the Goal Norte side. Activity here is calmer compared to Goal Sur and the lateral area. Workers are installing Louvres in sections where the back walls aren't painted. Elevated platforms and cranes are in use, lifting pieces and preparing anchors. Large compression ring pieces, which we've seen being moved in previous days, are also on site, ready to be installed. Across the entire stadium, from Goal Norte to the lateral sections and Goal Sur, platforms, cranes, and workers are coordinating complex tasks, from installing Louvres to assembling escalator structures. Installing supports, painting, placing bolts, and lifting materials into place. It's an intricate, ongoing process, and each day brings new progress. As we wrap up today's update, Camp Nou is really taking shape. Every corner shows how fast the construction is moving, from the new escalators to the Louvres and the structures in Goal Sur and Goal Norte. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.